Sometimes students ask me, should I study syllabus for SBL? My answer is yes and no. The reason why I answer yes is, first, you need to know the principles, the guidance, and also you need to study the knowledge in order for you to answer your SBL questions. Because you need all this knowledge to answer your questions, and this knowledge comes from your syllabus. So that's the reason you have to study syllabus to make you understand more about knowledge such as strategic planning, strategic management, strategic choices, various business models for you to apply all this into your case study. The second reason is some students are full-time study students. When you are studying full-time, you do not have much working experience that will help you to make recommendations in your answers. So if you are a full-time student, you will have lack of content for you to answer the questions, and that is where the content need to be gotten by studying syllabus. Syllabus will equip you, I wouldn't say 100%, but at least it will equip you with the content that other part-time students can earn from their full-time employment, so that you can also answer the questions just like some other candidates. So syllabus will help you in such a way, especially you are a full-time student. You need to study more, you need to get more knowledge to have a better idea how the actual workplace is doing. So you can give a very fruitful and very practical suggestion in your answer. Then why do I say no? It's because first, you should not memorize your knowledge just by memorizing. The way of studying your knowledge, or the way of studying your syllabus, is to understand the concepts, is to grab the idea, and not too much about memorizing. Now, I wouldn't say that memorizing is not a way of studying. Of course, it is a way of studying. Some students can get very good grades by, these techniques are memorizing. However, if you merely base on memorizing, then there's a chance that your answer is very textbook based and is not too much applicable to the case study. It's not too much applying to the case study. If this is the case, then you will have marks deducted because it is not practical sometimes. The suggestions that you give is not practical sometimes to the case study, or the suggestion you make did not consider the situation in the case study, and that is where it actually provide a chance for examiners to deduct your marks. I mean, to reduce the marks that you have gotten. To be more precise, we don't deduct marks in SBL, but you will not gain marks because your solution is not directly applicable to the case study, right? So that is what I'm trying to tell you. And the second point is, if you merely study the syllabus, and furthermore, if you merely memorize the syllabus, there's a risk that you will write what you want to write and not what the question asks you. In the sense that when you look at the task requirement, when you read the task requirement, you will capture the keyword and ignore the rest. When you capture the keyword, oh yeah, this is what I have memorized. So you will throw everything that you have memorized according to the keyword. And most of the time, this technique did not answer to what the question is asking you. So the risk is you will probably get very less marks, if not zero, by answering to this task requirement. Wasting your time to write all the answer, but it's not relevant to the case study. So there's a risk of this happening. So do not merely rely on memorizing the syllabus, or do not merely rely on, as long as I study all the syllabus, I'll be able to pass, right? The third point, which is related to this, which is related to what I mentioned just now, is studying syllabus is important. However, other than studying syllabus, you also need to learn how to answer the questions. So we have another part called answering techniques. So in my lessons, I usually put equal emphasis on these two. I will go through the syllabus because some full-time students, they need to know the syllabus. At the same time, I will also discuss about the answering technique, and these two take the same length of time. So other than studying syllabus, please don't forget to also learn how to analyze the question, how to read the case study effectively, and how to draft your answer to answer to the task requirement precisely. So that part is also very important part. So I wish you all the success in SBL, and take care of yourself.